The OnePlus 13s has been officially launched in India on June 5, 2025. It's positioned as a compact flagship smartphone and is likely a rebranded version of the OnePlus 13T that launched in China. Display 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED with 1.5K resolution, 1216 x 2640 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features a peak brightness of 1600 nits. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. RAM and storage expected to come with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options up to 512GB of UFS 4.0. Rear dual camera setup with a 50 megapixel Sony LYT700 primary sensor with OIS and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and EIS. Front 32 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus and EIS. A robust 5850 MHz battery with 80 watt super VWC fast charging support. Android 15 based Oxygen OS 15 with a promise of 4 Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Price in India starts at Rs 54,999 for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model. The 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage variant is priced at Rs 59,999.